This security footage from a warehouse facility captures a serious safety lapse where an operating forklift struck an employee walking along an internal walkway. Due to a lack of situational awareness and failure to maintain a proper lookout, the operator did not notice the colleague, causing the employee to fall and become pinned beneath the equipment. This incident highlights the vital importance of following safety protocols in shared spaces. Operators must ensure an unobstructed line of sight, driving in reverse or using a spotter if a load blocks the view. Facilities should implement clearly marked pedestrian zones to separate walkways from machinery. Additionally, forklifts must use functional alarms and lights, while pedestrians must remain vigilant, listen for signals, and strictly avoid standing in an operator's blind spots to ensure a safe work environment. This footage from a ceramic manufacturing facility captures a significant loss of inventory due to unstable stacking. While a worker was on an elevated platform organizing units, he accidentally nudged a piece, triggering a massive domino effect. Because items were stacked to a precarious height without support, a large volume of products collapsed, causing substantial property damage. Fortunately, ground workers evacuated quickly, avoiding any injuries. This incident highlights the need for secure storage. Fragile items should never exceed stable heights. Dedicated racking is essential to prevent chain reaction collapses. High-level inventory must be secured with shrink wrap or guardrails to prevent shifting. Furthermore, safety buffer zones should be established below platforms, and personnel must receive specialized training to maintain high situational awareness. This footage captures a dangerous incident at a rural road construction site where an operator reversed a motor grader on a narrow, sloped path. Due to limited visibility and a failure to maintain a safe distance, the machine drifted too close to the edge and rolled into a ravine. Fortunately, the operator jumped clear just in time to avoid the impact. This incident highlights critical safety lessons for operating heavy machinery in complex terrain. Operators must conduct pre-operation site surveys to inspect ground stability. Maintaining safe buffer zones with markers is essential when working near slopes. Additionally, using a dedicated spotter in confined spaces and maintaining low speeds with a focus on blind spots can prevent equipment from losing stability and falling. This security footage from a pipe fabrication workshop captures a dangerous incident during a routine inspection where an employee was struck by a large metal pipe that unexpectedly slid out of a shipping container. The impact caused the worker to fall to the ground and struggle to stand up before colleagues rushed to provide assistance. This incident highlights the vital importance of following strict safety protocols when handling heavy cargo. To prevent such accidents, it is essential to verify cargo stability and ensure all items are properly braced before opening container doors. Workers must maintain safe positioning by standing to the side to avoid the potential fall path of objects. Additionally, utilizing personal protective equipment like hard hats and safety boots, along with coordinated work procedures involving specialized lifting equipment, can significantly reduce risks in high-risk zones. This security footage from a metal fabrication facility captures a high-risk incident involving an overhead crane transporting large steel plates. During transit, the heavy plates unexpectedly slipped from the lifting hooks and fell freely onto the workshop floor with immense force, generating a massive cloud of dust and significant ground vibration. Fortunately, nearby workers remained vigilant, spotting the equipment failure and evacuating the danger zone just moments before the load hit the ground. This near miss highlights the need for strict safety protocols. Always perform thorough pre-lift inspections of crane cables and hooks to ensure they are secure and rated for the specific load weight. It is also vital to establish no-go zones directly beneath suspended loads. Furthermore, maintaining clear communication between operators and ground personnel while wearing mandatory PPE like hard hats is essential to mitigate risks during accidents. This security footage from a maintenance facility captures a high-risk incident involving the improper handling of a high-pressure cylinder. While a worker was attempting to inspect or disassemble the valve of a large compressed gas tank on the ground, the extreme internal pressure caused the valve to shear off. This sudden release of energy transformed the cylinder into a high-velocity projectile that launched directly into a nearby building, puncturing a brick wall and causing extensive damage. Fortunately, the worker was only knocked off balance, and no one was in the flight path. This incident serves as a serious warning. Never attempt to disassemble valves without training or while under pressure. Cylinders must be secured in an upright position with safety chains. Always use certified tools and parts, and perform a thorough risk assessment to establish safety perimeters, protecting personnel and property from mechanical failure. This security footage from a metal fabrication facility captures a high-risk incident involving an overhead crane transporting large structural components. During transit, several heavy steel beams unexpectedly slipped from the rigging system and fell freely onto the workshop floor with immense force. The impact generated a loud noise and caused significant ground vibration. Fortunately, workers remained vigilant, spotting the equipment failure and evacuating the danger zone moments before impact, successfully avoiding a direct strike. This near miss highlights the need for strict safety regulations, including thorough pre-lift inspections of cables and hooks. It is also vital to establish no-go zones beneath loads and maintain clear communication to ensure a rapid response. This footage captures a hazardous situation during the demolition of an old brick structure where two workers attempted to topple a high wall using a wooden beam. Due to an inadequate assessment of structural integrity, the force applied triggered an immediate collapse of the wall behind them, leaving them no time to react as they were overtaken by falling debris. This incident serves as a vital reminder to prioritize safety and technical planning. Personnel must fully understand the designated work methods and potential risks before starting. It is essential to verify that the work zone is free of hidden hazards that could lead to unexpected collapses. Workers should always follow engineering procedures to control the direction of falling materials and ensure that health and safety remains the highest priority. This footage captures a serious safety incident during the maintenance of a skid steer loader. While a technician leaned in to inspect the engine compartment beneath the lifted loader arms, a sudden hydraulic failure caused the heavy machinery to drop instantly, pinning him against the chassis. Fortunately, he escaped a life-threatening situation as the arms did not fully crush him, though he sustained a significant impact. This incident highlights the need to utilize physical safety locks, like metal struts, when working under hydraulic components, as systems can fail without warning. It is also vital for personnel to have thorough equipment knowledge and follow the buddy system for mutual supervision. Workers must identify hazards and their consequences before starting any task, ensuring that safety is never compromised on the job site. This security footage from a material storage yard captures a high-risk incident involving an overhead crane loading large stone slabs onto a truck bed. Due to a failure in the rigging straps or improper securing, the heavy slabs unexpectedly slipped and fell freely into the truck with immense force, generating a loud noise and a significant cloud of debris. Fortunately, a worker standing nearby noticed the failure and reacted instantly, backing away just moments before the impact to avoid a direct strike. This near miss highlights the need to strictly adhere to safety regulations. Always perform a thorough pre-lift inspection of crane straps and hooks to ensure the load is securely fixed. Personnel must never stand within the potential drop zone of a suspended load. Maintaining a safe perimeter is essential to preventing risks.